Hello children, welcome back to computer class. Let's recap what we have learnt in our previous videos. We were learning about the lesson word processor and interaction. Word processor softwares are the softwares that help us to type the text and create documents in computer. We were learning about the popular word processor software, that is Microsoft Word. In the last video we learnt how to copy the text in a document. Copying the text means duplicating or making a copy of the selected text in a document. We can use copy option to create a duplicate copy of the original text. The text can be copied from one place to another place within a document or from one document to another document. There is just only one difference between cut and paste and copy and paste. In cut and paste, the text will not be remained in original place. In copy and paste, even in the original place we can see the text, and in another place also we can see the text. We learned the steps to copy and paste the text by using Home tab. We also learned another way to copy the text, that is by right clicking on the selected text. We can also use the shortcut key to copy and paste the text. Ctrl plus C is to copy, Ctrl plus V is to paste. Today, let us learn about two more options, that is saving a document and closing a document. So, we know that in computer, after typing, we can save a text. So, not only the typing work, any work which you do in the computer, for example, drawing, painting, searching some information, and we can save that information also in computer. So we can save our work in computer. In MS Word, after typing the text, we can save that for future use. If you need to use the same text again, we have to save our work. Let us see the steps how to save a document. So in MS Word, after typing the text, that will become a document. How to save the document, let us learn now. So here we have the steps that shows you how to save the document. To save the document, we have to click on File tab. So in the ribbon, we have the File tab in the beginning. If you click on the File tab, it drops a list below. In that, you have to choose Save button. You have to choose Save button. A Save As dialog box appears. In that you have to type the file name. Which file name you need it for your file, you can type in that. After typing the name in the file name box, you have to click on Save button. So the document will get saved with the name which you have typed in the file name box. Look at the picture, children. This shows you how to save the file. So, as I said, the first step you have to click on File tab. You can see the File tab here. If you click on the File tab, it drops a list down. In that, you have to choose Save option. Save option. So, when you click on that, you get the Save As dialog box. In that, in the file name box, here you can see file name box. There you have to type the file name which you wanted to give. So type the file name, then click on Save option. Here you can see the Save option. You can click on Save option. So if you do that, a file will be saved with the name which you have given. As I said, after typing, we have to use the Save option. You have one more option called Save As below the save itself. Both you can use if you are saving the file for the first time. If for the first time, if you are saving the file, you can click on Save or Save As button. But after saving the file in computer, whatever the changes you are doing, you need to keep on saving it again and again. So which option can be used if you need to save the changes in the same file? So here you have Save option. So if you need to save the changes which you did for the same file, you need to click on Save option. If you need to save the changes in a different file or in a different document with different name, you can use save as. So for example, one sentence you will type, after that you will add another sentence. If you need that sentence to be saved directly, you can click on save. But if you don't want that sentence to be saved in the same file, if you wanted to create a new file with both the sentence, you can click on save as option. So you will get a save as dialog box. There you can type the name and save your file. These are the difference between save and save as. So please children, remember, whatever the work you do in computer, you have to keep on saving it. Then only that work will remain in your computer. Now let us learn how to close a document. I am saying how to close a document. So when you do this option, the document which you are working at present, the file which you are working at present will be closed. Follow these steps to close the currently open document. So in MS Word you can open 5, 6, 7 documents together. So one after another you can keep on opening it. So you can keep on working in any one of the document. Even all other documents will be opened. So if you need to close the document in which you are working at present, you have to click on File tab again. So click on the File tab. In that File tab, you can see Close option at last. So you can click on Close option to close the document in which you are working at present. File tab, Close option. So always we have to save our document before closing it. Even if you didn't save, if you click on close option, you will get a message box. So without saying, if you click on close option, here you can see the picture children, you will get the message box. You can see the message box here. So when you click on file, close option, if you have not saved your work, you will get the message box. If you need to save your changes, you can click on save so that the changes will be added to your file. If you don't want to save it, you can click on don't save. If you wanted to cancel this closing work at present, you can click on cancel. So these are the ways to close your file. You can click on file tab, close. If you have saved it, you will not get your message box. If you have not saved your work, you will get the message box. Along with this file tab children, we have shortcut key to save our work and to close our document. So to save a document, we have a shortcut key, Control and S letter key. Control S for save. To close the document, you have a shortcut key, Control W. Control W. You can use this shortcut key to save your document and to close your document.
Saving a document. If you need the typed text for future use, you have to save your document. Follow the steps to save your document. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on the Save button. The Save As dialog box opens. Step 3. Type a name for the document in the file name box. Step 4. Click on the Save button. The document gets saved with .docx extension. Closing a document. Follow the steps to close the currently open document in Microsoft Word. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on the Close option. If you have not saved your document earlier, a message box opens up and asks you to save it. Click on Save if you want to save the changes and close the document. Click on Don't Save if you want to close the document without saving the change. Click on Cancel if you do not want to save the changes and want to go back to the document.
Children, we have learnt about how to save a file and close a file. File can be called as document also. How to save a document, how to close a document. To save a document, we can use File tab, Save or Save As option. If you need to save the file by giving a name, you can use Save As. If you just need to add the changes to the file, you can click on save option. You can close the document by using file tab close option. To do both the things, we have shortcut keys. To save our file, we have a shortcut key Ctrl plus S. To close a document, we have a shortcut key Ctrl plus W. This is your home assignment. I request you to write this in your homework book. Thank you.